Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error solved. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update Service. Startup type to automatic, start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type ren space /lan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space /lan /windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Fifth method is, open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Check upgrade this PC now. Select Install Windows 10 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.